How to activate Fido Esim online for iPhone. First things first, before activating your Fido eSIM directly from your Apple device, you need to set it up first. Set it up, I actually have this specific process of steps from the trusted sources directly from Fido. So all you have to do is insert the SIM, or if you're using an eSIM, basically, you just have to go to settings and then select cellular if needed to turn off and activate eSIM to make room for your Fido eSIM. Now select Add SIM, then access QR code. It will automatically open the camera on your device, scan the QR code on your eSIM voucher, and follow the steps on screen. Now once you successfully set up your eSIM on your Apple device, this is going to be the time activating it. For doing so, make sure to go into the fido.ca's official website and sign up for a free account. Now, once you've successfully logged in into your Fido account, activation is just around the corners. And that is how you activate Fido eSIM online on your iPhone.